Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a real online business and do actual marketing versus this get-rich-quick mentality and these simple shortcuts that you see and get you to the point where you're finally building a real business online and thinking for the long term. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about these videos that you see that show you what you see here on the screen. Looking for your target audience on Facebook and using something called Snipply. Now, Snipply is an actual product that I would recommend you take a look at. You can actually get started for free, and it gives you the ability to share content and add a call to action to it. You can see the example right here where you share a website that you find some valuable information to, and then you put your brand and a little banner over it, and you can add a button which could then be your affiliate link, or this is what these videos are telling you to do. Let me show you and talk to you about why this is not a good idea. Because this is your target audience. First and foremost, when you're on Facebook, you're going to be posting these links. Now, the recommendation is to post these links in groups around your niche inside of your market. First, you really can't do that without getting kicked out and banned from the group and risking losing your Facebook account, your personal profile. And then the second thing, if anyone actually clicks on your link and they go to the Snipply page, the odds are very low of them clicking on your banner that has your brand on it, no matter how good your call to action is, because they're interested in the content. Now, you may get some. And again, Snipply has features that include different types of Snipply types, as well as being able to customize it, as well as tracking analytics, adding tracking pixels and conversion pixels, as well as doing A/B split testing. Of course, I don't imagine those are in the free account. As you can see, they do have a pricing guide right here that show you the options that you can get for basic, pro, business, and agency. Again, Snipply is something I would recommend checking out as a strategy and a tactic to use in your business when you set it up the correct way. Now, let me show you what I mean by that, the correct way. If you wanted to use Snipply, again, I think you should take a look at it. It could be a valuable resource or a valuable tool in your tool belt. So here you are with looking for your target audience on Facebook and YouTube. So let's say that you have found a group and you've gone in and you've actually started to provide real valuable content, or even better, you set up your own group and you provide real valuable content in the form of actually helping people with real problems. And then you use Snipply to share content that you know is going to address a problem or an issue that your audience is having. Then your target market goes over to your Snipply page. Now you've been in that Facebook group, you provided real value over a course or a period of time, or on your YouTube channel, and you said, hey, check out this article that tells you why or how you should be doing this. And then that article has your brand and your call to action on the Snipply page laid over it with a solid call to action. And again, at this point, people will be recognizing you and your brand, and then you will have a better chance of them clicking on it. Then they would go to your own content. Again, not directly to the ClickBank offer as many videos are showing you. So again, this is what most people are showing you, how to make quick money online as a ClickBank affiliate. You go to Facebook and you find your target audience. You post your Snipply page because it's free, and then you redirect that directly to a ClickBank offer, and you start making instant commissions, quick money as a ClickBank affiliate. I'm not going to say that's not going to work, but the thing I'm trying to get to you, or trying to get you to start thinking about, is short-term versus long-term, building a real business. A real business using Snipply would look like this. You're on Facebook or YouTube, you post content to your Snipply page, or you post useful content via a Snipply page. Your target audience goes there, then they land on your content that you control, then you add them to an email list, then you can redirect them over to a ClickBank offer. So what does that look like conceptually? Let me show you another diagram. So here's what this would look like as you build it out. And again, start small and test this out. And again, use a Snipply page and target your audience on Facebook. Go into a Facebook group, provide real value, and then after a period of time, start sharing your own content. And then once your target audience lands on your content, then you'll build an email list. Then once you have your target audience on your own email list, something you control, you send them to more content, as well as that content links to a ClickBank offer. It gives you more actual touch points and you more time to build that relationship. Again, short term versus long term, meaning your audience will recognize your content over the long run. They'll be on your email list, and then you'll be able to redirect from your content and your email list to ClickBank offers. And this will allow you to actually build a real business and make money with your real business. Again, sacrificing that short-term gain for long-term gain and building your own real online business. So one more time, definitely check out Snipply and its features. It is definitely a tactic and a technique that you could use to share other people's content, and that gives you the ability to overlay your own call to action and put your brand on that piece of content, on the content out there that is shareable in that fashion. Because understand that some content is not going to allow Snipply to pull their content in and let you overlay your own branding and your own call to action. Some do, some don't care because they know their content is that powerful, and they know that the likelihood of them getting brand recognition versus you getting an actual benefit from overlaying your own call to action with a button that someone might click. Again, in the case of making quick money where you just post on Facebook to a Snipply page and then directly to a ClickBank offer, even in the case where you post on Facebook or YouTube to a Snipply page and then to your own content to build your email list, in reality, the drop off from the Snipply page to your own content is going to be high. And this is something that you have to test. And this is something that you do as you build your own business and as you become a real marketer, versus these other videos that are just showing you how to stand on a street corner, yell at people, and hopefully make a sale once or twice a day. Again, that short-term mentality versus long-term mentality that I'm talking about when you're building a real online business. Of course, if you'd like to know the exact strategy I use, link in the description, free training, jump over there, follow it step by step, how to build a real affiliate marketing business. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.